Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. So Shana, tell me what's going on with your jaw.
Unfortunately, I've had some jaw pain and clicking for about 4 years now.
Okay.
Clicking on the left and on the right, and eventually it turns into a headache on this whole side of the jaw and forehead area. And
how much pain do you feel from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency room at worst.
when my jaw is in this position, it's not bad, but when I open it all the way, it turns into like 3, 4.
Okay.
And then the more I'm doing that all day, if I'm eating a lot or chewing a lot, that turns into
Headache
6,
in the
7.
front.
Yeah, and then it just gets worse.
What's going on with your neck?
My neck is really tight. I haven't been stretching or anything.
Yeah. So you said you've been having this issue for 4 years. So what kind of treatment you had before?
I've been to a couple chiropractors, a couple PTs, mostly heat and ice, which help but didn't really resolve the problem.
I'm going to take your range of motion. Everything we do here should not aggravate your symptoms. So let me know if you feel any pain. Do you have headache today?
Not right now. Yesterday was terrible.
But most of your pain, like when you open wide, and you feel that you have limited range of motion.
Yeah, especially like yesterday. I was trying to eat a taco and I'm like, I can't.
Yeah. So bring it here, the taco, if you cannot eat it. Okay. Sit up nice and tall. We're going to do a side shot and let's see. So you're currently like almost 32, 34. Yeah, 32. Okay. So you usually open much wider, or the normal 35 to 45? Are you limited by 25%, 50%?
Usually only when it's hurting. I don't know if it's me or if I'm clenching.
Let me see your range of motion. Left and right rotation. Right here. Extension. Flexion. Okay. Side bend, left and right. Where do you feel the tightness?
Most of it's side bending and extension.
Any accidents or trauma?
No trauma.
Falls or anything
just
like that?
Stress.
No pain, radiating pain to the neck or anything. All right, lie on your back. Scoot down. Okay. Do you feel any pain with that?
A little.
You feel this bump here?
Yeah.
This is scar tissue here.
Yeah, on the right. Yeah. It gets worse as the longer you press on it.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna work on the deep fascia relief. Okay. Let me know if you feel pain, okay? How does it feel?
Good.
Don't let me move here. You usually have your range of motion on the big in your mouth, like on the wide side or the small side. The normal is 45, so your normal is around 45 or 32.
I haven't measured in a long.
Is it too much? Okay.
It hurts though.
Make sure it's not aggravating your symptoms. Eh? How does it feel now? Can you tell the difference?
Yeah, it's not a speed bump anymore.
Yep. And you said clicking on the left and on the right. How does it feel?
Good.
Any discomfort here? Tender here?
Yeah.
Your neck tight. Okay, for the neck tightness, I'm gonna do a couple spots. I will have you sit this way. Tighten more here
Yeah.
on the right side. Can you move your hair to the side? So you just graduated recently?
Yes.
Beautiful. Let me know if that's too much, okay?
That's good.
Do you feel this
I feel it.
tightness here?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me know if that's too much, okay?
It's a little much.
Sorry.
It's okay.
What about now?
That's good.
How does it feel now?
Better.
Can you tell the difference? Okay, let's see if we have another spot. This one here. If we have another one next to it here. Do you feel this? We'll see. Oops.
No, that's okay.
All
I broke
right.
it.
Technical difficulty. All right. You broke it?
I have a tough muscle.
Oh, man. Okay. Now here's the magic. Let me fix it. Okay. Let's measure your mouth again. Open your mouth and tell me. Can you tell any difference?
Yeah. I used to be able to open it a little more.
Okay. Where do you feel the tightness now? Just open it and tell me where is
It's
the
just
tightness.
right here.
In that spot.
Yeah.
Okay, lie back. Okay. Scoot down. It's right in here?
Yeah.
In here.
Yeah.
Let me know if it's too much, okay? Sit up. Open it again and tell me where you feel the tightness. You feel that's fully range of motion now?
Yeah, I think so. You can measure. It feels a lot better.
It's 46. It was 32.
Oh, I can definitely feel the difference.
46, that's your norm.
Wow.
Yeah.
What was it before?
32.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So what do you think about ASTR treatment?
I love it.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Especially in only a few minutes. Wish I did this ages ago.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.